The whole idea of a side hustle has totally transformed. It's not just about pocket money anymore. For a lot of people, it's becoming a real path to financial freedom. Today, we're going to break down how you can build an income that isn't tied to one location, and you can start right now.
So are you ready? Really ready to build an income stream that you can run from literally anywhere with an internet connection? We're about to dive into 5 practical global opportunities that you can get started with today.
So here's the game plan for today. First, we'll talk about the big shift in how we all work. Then, we'll get into 5 super beginner-friendly paths you can take. After that, we'll cover a simple way to choose the right one for you. And finally, we'll map out your first 90 days.
All right, let's dive into section 1, the global hustle shift. This is all about understanding a massive change in how we can earn a living, moving way beyond just making a little extra income. So, what exactly is a global hustle? Well, put simply, it's using your skills online to serve clients or sell to customers anywhere on the planet. Thanks to things like remote work and incredible new AI tools, the barriers that used to exist are just gone. All you really need is a Wi-Fi connection and the drive to learn something new. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. The 5 beginner-friendly paths to a global income. I want you to think of this section as your personal toolkit. 5 proven ways you can start building something for yourself. First up, we have what's probably the most direct path to earning your first dollar online: freelance digital services. This is all about selling a specific skill, one project at a time. And here's the best part. You don't need to be some kind of guru to get started. You can use a tool like Canva to do basic graphic design or learn the fundamentals of good copywriting. Quick tip on that, always focus on the benefits, not just the features. So instead of saying 5 GB of storage, you say you'll never lose an important file again. It's a small change that makes a huge difference. And platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are just packed with clients who need your help right now. Look, here's the secret sauce for freelancing. Don't try to be a jack of all trades. Pick one thing, get really good at it, build an amazing profile that showcases your work, and just be consistent. That's the formula for winning. Our second path is absolutely exploding in popularity, and for good reason: content creation, specifically with faceless channels. And the real game changer here? You don't even have to show your face to build a huge audience. Seriously, you can use AI like ChatGPT to help write your scripts, tools like Pictory to turn that text into video, and then edit it all on your phone with an app like CapCut. You make money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The big takeaway is that your knowledge and your voice are the stars of the show, not your face. And this is why this is so powerful. Content is an asset. See, when you're freelancing, you're trading your time for money. But a video you make today can keep earning you money for years to come. It's a true path to passive income. All right, number 3 on our list: AI-powered microservices. This sounds complicated, but it's not. It just means using all these new AI tools to deliver services faster and better than ever before. So what does this actually look like? Well, you could use AI to write a whole month's worth of LinkedIn posts for a client, generate killer product descriptions for an e-commerce store, or even design logos. The key here isn't coding. It's about being the smart person who knows how to use the tools to get high-quality results for clients. Your value here isn't in building the AI from scratch. Your value is in using it to solve a real business problem. And let me tell you, this is a massive growing opportunity. Okay, our 4th path: remote virtual assistants. If you're an organized, reliable person, this is a fantastic and really stable way to get into the global workforce. Think about it. Every entrepreneur and small business owner is swamped. They need help with things like managing their crazy inboxes, scheduling meetings, or doing research. You can find these gigs on places like Upwork or even specialized platforms like Belay. And what's so cool about this one is the growth potential. What might start as a small, part-time side hustle can easily grow into a full-time, location-independent career. It's a really encouraging path. And finally, our 5th and maybe most scalable path: selling digital products and online courses. This is all about taking the knowledge you already have, packaging it up into a digital asset, and selling it online. And the possibilities here are endless. You could create a short ebook, a helpful Notion template, a budget planner, or even a full online course. And platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Udemy make it incredibly easy to set up your shop and start selling to a global audience. This right here is the magic of this model. You do the hard work once to create the product, and then you can sell it over and over and over again with very little extra effort. It is the ultimate scalable business model.
Okay, that was a lot, I know. 5 awesome options. But now for the big question. How do you pick yours? Let's walk through a super simple framework to help you make a smart decision.
I want you to ask yourself 3 simple questions. Number 1, what can I realistically learn pretty fast? Number 2, what are people actually paying for right now? And number 3, is this something I can scale up online? The perfect place for you to start is right where the answers to those 3 questions overlap. Okay, once you've picked your path, it all comes down to this. This isn't about luck. It's about discipline and taking action. So here's a simple plan for your first 90 days. In month 1, just focus on learning your skill. That's it. In month 2, start building a portfolio or create your very first digital product. And in month 3, you go all in on getting your first client or making your first sale. Consistent action is what builds the foundation. So, I'm going to put you on the spot. Which side hustle are you committing to starting this year? You know, making a public declaration is a really powerful first step. So go ahead and drop your choice in the comments below. I'd love to see what you're going to build.
Hey, if you got some real value out of this today, if you feel a little clearer on your next step, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to Data Finance. We're building a community here that's all about learning, earning, and growing. So turn on those notifications and let's grow together.